I am not in a hurry. I am not in a hurry.
Mwen pa pressé.
Where do you work? Where do you work?
Ki kote wap travay?
What time is it now? What time is it now?
Ki lè liye kounye ya?
May I have this book? May I have this book?
Eske mwen ka gen liv sa?
Is anybody there? Is anybody there?
Eske gen moun la?
What's your favorite book? What's your favorite book?
Ki liv prefere ou?
I will take care of that. I will take care of that.
Mwen ap jere sa.
Let me dance with you. Let me dance with you.
Kite mwen danse ave ou.
I don't understand. I don't understand.
Mwen pa kompran.
I would like bread with cheese. I would like bread with cheese.
Mwen ta reme pen ak fromaj.
Where can I get a taxi? Where can I get a taxi?
Ki kote pou mpran yon taksi?
Where would you like to go? Where would you like to go?
Ki kote ou ta reme ale?
Here is my luggage. Here is my luggage.
Men bagay mwen yo.
He runs in the park every day. He runs in the park every day.
Li kouri nan pak la chak jou.
What's your favorite quote? What's your favorite quote?
Ki sitasyon prefere ou?
Would you like me to help you? Would you like me to help you?
Eske ou vle mwen ede ou?
Where is the end of this line? Where is the end of this line?
Kote fin ling la?
Does the suitcase bother you? Does the suitcase bother you?
Eske valisa aniye ou?
You never took me seriously. You never took me seriously.
Ou pa jam pran mo serye?
I saw her crossing the street. I saw her crossing the street.
Mwen te wel tap travese la ria.
I don't know how to handle it. I don't know how to handle it.
Mwen pa konen koman pou mjere sa.
I have a lot of things to do. I have a lot of things to do.
Mwen gen an pil bagay pou mfe.
I asked him what his name was. I asked him what his name was.
Mwen te mandel ki jan rele.
We don't know how to find him. We don't know how to find him.
Nou pa konen koman pou njwen li.
I don't want to do it anymore. I don't want to do it anymore.
Mwen pa vle fe li anko.
Why did you come home so late? Why did you come home so late?
Pou ki sa ou rentre tret a la kay la?
I saw him last Friday. I saw him last Friday.
Mwen te we li vendredi.
He is working with me. He is working with me.
Li ap travay avek mwen.
Can I get your number? Can I get your number?
Eske mwen kapab gen nimero ou?
What book are you reading? What book are you reading?
Ki liv ou ap li?
Where do you prefer? Where do you prefer?
Ki kote ou prefere?
I need to clean my room. I need to clean my room.
Mwen dwe netwaye cham mwen ya.
You didn't do it correctly. You didn't do it correctly.
Ou pat fè li korekteman.
I am scared to tell him. I am scared to tell him.
Mwen pe pou m'dil sa.
I don't like to drive. I don't like to drive.
Mwen pa reme kondwi.
I like being with him. I like being with him.
Mwen reme lem avek li.
This is the last call. This is the last call.
Se denye apel.
This coffee is bitter. This coffee is bitter.
Kafe ya anme.
I love that scarf. I love that scarf.
Mwen reme fula sa.
She speaks 4 languages. She speaks 4 languages.
Li pale 4 lang.
Can you open the window? Can you open the window?
Eske ou kapab ouve fenet la?
He's very famous. He's very famous.
Li tre koni.
He worked very hard. He worked very hard.
Li travay tre di.
What's the weather like? What's the weather like?
Ki tan li fe?
I've never seen that before. I've never seen that before.
Mwen pat jam wè sa avan.
I can't make up my mind. I can't make up my mind.
Mwen pa kapab deside.
It's not as easy as it seems. It's not as easy as it seems.
Li pa fasil kom li paret la.
It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day.
Se yon bel jou.
I do not like it very much. I do not like it very much.
Mwen pa reme sa anpil.
Can we meet later? Can we meet later?
Eske nou ka renkontre pi ta?
Can you help me please? Can you help me please?
Eske ou ka edem s'il vous plaît?
What's your favorite color? What's your favorite color?
Ki koule prefere ou?
I am feeling a bit stressed. I am feeling a bit stressed.
Mwen santi m yon ti jan stresse.
How do you spell it? How do you spell it?
Ki jan ou eple li?
I am really tired. I am really tired.
Mwen vreman fatige.
I am really busy at the moment. I am really busy at the moment.
Mwen vreman okipe kounye ya.
I don't have much free time. I don't have much free time.
Mwen pa gen anpil tan libre.
I feel a bit lonely. I feel a bit lonely.
Mwen santi m yon ti jan sel.
It's time to go home. It's time to go home.
Se lè pou nou rentre la kay.
You are a good friend. You are a good friend.
Ou se yon bon zami.
Can I tell you something? Can I tell you something?
Eske mwen kapap di ou yon bagay?
I am so proud of you. I am so proud of you.
Mwen fiye de ou.
I was in love with you. I was in love with you.
Mwen te reme ou.
I am not feeling well today. I am not feeling well today.
Mwen pa sentim bien jodi ya.